This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the network and Rocket SIM hardware. Do this now so installation flows. Power on the Rocket SIM and connect it to your router via Ethernet or paired Wi-Fi. This creates a controllable endpoint. Once done, log into the router admin page and reserve the Rocket SIM MAC with a static IP so the SIM stays reachable. Make sure to enable the same security mode the SIM expects. This reduces handshakes issues and explains why devices pair reliably. You now integrate Rocket SIM into the smart home network by configuring addressing and access. Access the router's DHCP and reserve the static IP you assigned, then forward or open ports the Rocket SIM service uses, like co-AP or proprietary app ports, to allow app-to-SIM traffic. Once done, place the SIM on an isolated EOT VLAN or guest SSID to limit lateral access. This improves security and prevents interference. Make sure to test connectivity from your control app and confirm the SIM. You finish by pairing smart devices to the Rocket SIM and validating end-to-end commands and telemetry. Run functional tests. Send a command, watch the SIM's response, and confirm timestamps. This proves both connectivity and correct routing. Once done, monitor Wi-Fi signal and bandwidth with a small load test. Make sure to optimize channel selection if you see packet loss. If something goes wrong, reboot the router and SIM, inspect logs for authentication errors, and reset network settings as the key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.